Alright, y'all, so y'all know I've been seeing this spicy bowl all over TikTok. I know it's just the algorithm, but I had to make it. So, I went out and bought stuff for this spicy bowl, but real talk, at the end, after I ate everything, I'm like, I could have used like some of the stuff I had in my refrigerator. Like, I had some of these ingredients, but I guess it's for the video just to make it look nice. I went out and bought some stuff. As far as the seasonings, you don't have to use whatever you saw in these videos. You can use whatever is in your pantry. And before I forget, I don't know if it's because I wasn't putting a lot of hot stuff in this because my kids wanted to try it. You can put more hot sauce, more chili flakes, whatever else that'll make it seriously spicy. But to me, it wasn't that hot. My kids knows it was running, you know, because it was spicy to them, but it wasn't super spicy. Even though that's the purpose of the bowl. I think I'm addicted now. And don't tell my doctor because I got high blood pressure sometime. And it was so good, y'all. Everything is more of a like a salt, like salty vinegar pickle like base, you know. So I kind of messed up. I was gonna put my seasonings and juice into that bowl and mix it up and pour it onto those everything else that was inside the bowl, but it didn't work out like that. I got kids and I was trying to do this and do that and make sure the angle was looking right and everything. Y'all just throw everything in a bowl and you good to go. Like, seriously. As long as you're not recording, you good to go. Just put everything in a bowl. Those pepperoncinis, I should have got the ones that was sliced. And I noticed that after I made the video, I'm like, damn, I should have got the ones that was sliced. These are some of the seasonings that I use. Old Bay, onion and garlic, like every day. These red pepper flakes. I did have to buy those. I really don't use that. Like I said, I don't like my stuff super spicy. I'm not scared of spice, you know, but I didn't have that in my seasoning cabinet. So, like I said, just season it to your liking and you're good to go. Once again, if you got high blood pressure, I'm gonna need you to step back. I'm gonna need you to move back away from all this salt, all right? Me, on the other hand, I had a few chips, don't tell my doctor. I had a few chips and I just prayed on it because I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of salty. When it came to these sausages, y'all, I thought it looked so nasty. I thought it felt like an eraser. I don't really know if I tasted it when I, you know, like when I was chewing and everything, because everything was just together in one bite. It was just heaven in a bite. Like, I'm like addicted to this. It's so good. What else do we eat? Because I want to try something else like this. This was so good, y'all. But I want to try the pickles. It was pickle something, like pickle candy or something like that. I want to try that next, y'all. Let me know in the comments below what I should try next. Thank y'all for watching and see you on the next video.